Hey guys, almost 12 here today. I have a 80s Casablanca, or 1980s Casablanca Four Seasons. Um, so I bought this from Car Miller at Fanimation for 17 bucks. In horrible shape. Well, not aesthetically, but electric wise. And it had a slumber quiet that failed, and it was missing the potentiometer, so I kind of just got rid of that. List out the board, but I'm not gonna use it. So I got new wiring, a switch housing, a new control, a new capacitor, and everything. Rewired it. I took apart the motor, put new bearings, and that's pretty much the problem with this fan right now. The bearings. Now they're being kind of dumb. I think it just needs adjusted, but may just need to be worn in. I don't know. But you could see they're really stiff at the moment. So this is the lowest I can go on the variable speed without stalling, if it will actually show it, because my camera is a piece of crap. So anyway, let's go on the lowest it can go. The lowest it will go without stalling out. Speed it just a little bit. To a little bit of a faster low speed. Well, maybe this is like a medium low. It's medium high. A little bit more. Yeah, let's just go straight to high. The blades on this came off of a different fan, Casablanca fan. These are short blades. It came with average sized blades of the same finish, so to make it fit, put the short blades on it. Hauls. It has a 10-second spin down. Yep. Also works in reverse. Yeah. That's what I mean. Anyway, thanks for watching. I could actually